Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my second prom makeup tutorial for this year. The last one was a kind of soft glam, so this one I just wanted to go all out and just do glitter and just a full face of makeup. But this one is also quite different to the other one because I'm just going to use all affordable or drugstore products. So if you're someone that is doing your makeup yourself for prom and you want to kind of keep it on a budget, then all of these products are all budget friendly. So as always, be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like the idea of this video and just keep watching. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I said this in my last prom tutorial that I did. If you haven't seen that video, then I did just say that it is easier to just kind of do your eyeshadow and all your eye makeup before you do your face makeup, especially for an event or somewhere where you don't want to ruin any of your base makeup. So obviously today I've added glitter and stuff, so I 100% always would do my eye makeup before I did any of the face, just so then you can kind of wipe away any fallout or also any glitter that might go under your eyes and onto your skin. I've already primed my eyelids. I did use the Milani eyeshadow primer and then I just set it down with some powder. And I'm going to be using the chocolate orange palette from Makeup Revolution. And it's just full of really warm orangey tones in there. As you can see, that's the look that we're going for today. So I'm just going to take this shade right here. There are no names on the palette, but it's just this kind of pinky brown shade. It's just a matte. I'm just going to use this as the eraser shade. So I'm just going to buff this into the crease quite heavily. Once that's blended out, I'm just going to take this yellow shade and the orange and I'm just going to mix them two together and just apply them a slightly lower in the crease. Take a tiny bit more of the yellow and just apply that on the top of the crease. This is just going to soften everything up a bit more. Then I'm just going to add some of this dark brown matte shade and just going to apply this in the outer corner of the eye. You can just take some concealer and start to carve out the lid. On a really tiny brush, I'm just going to take the shades that I used in the crease, which is just kind of like the yellow and the orange, and just kind of go around the edges of the cut crease. So all over that lid space where we applied the concealer, I'm just going to take this kind of shimmery orange shade. This is just going to be a base for the glitter. Obviously, because we're going to apply glitter next, I'm just going to apply a glitter primer. I'm going to take the NYX glitter primer and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid space where we just applied that shimmer shade. And for glitter, I'm just going to take one of the NYX glitter pigments. This one's in the shade Copper. Take a wipe and just wipe away any glitter that's gone underneath the eye. Go over the outer corner with that matte brown shade just a tiny bit, just so then it's blended all nicely. For liner, I'm just going to take this Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner. Mascara, I'm just going to take the L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. For foundation today, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Matte Longwear Foundation. Then for concealer, we do want something quite full coverage because it is prom, we just want to go all out. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. Maximum Coverage Concealer and I've got the shade Beige. Set all that powder in place, I'm going to take the Rimmel Match Perfection Loose Powder. Finish off the lower lash line and just apply all the crease shades down on the bottom lash line as well. Then to highlight, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is the Molten Gold shade. Bone and inner corner, and that's just going to tie everything together. Contour, I'm going to take this Misslyn bronzer and it's in the shade Holiday Hooray. To just add a little glow, I'm going to use this Collection Glow Bronzer. I'm just going to lightly pat this on and this is just going to help tie the kind of highlight and the bronzer together. And then I'm going to use this to kind of bronze the forehead area. As you can see, it's got a nice sheen to it as well. Then for blush, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Colour Icon blush in the shade Apricot in the middle. Okay, then to finish off the look, I'm just going to use the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip, and in this one is in the shade Strip, and I think it'd just be really nice to just have a nice nude because the eyes are quite heavy. And this is just my holy grail all-time favourite lip colour. It's just the best nude for me. It's my favourite nude ever. So obviously this is a ultra satin lip, so if you did want it to be matte, then a good way to just make any lip matte is just to use some translucent powder and then just kind of pat it over and that will kind of matte it for you. But I like it being quite satin. I feel like it goes with the eyes and the highlight and everything. So I'm just going to leave it, but like I said, you can just add some translucent powder over and then you're good to go. And that is the end of the video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this prom makeup tutorial. Obviously I just did a kind of copper and a warm tone one because I like those kind of tones. Yes, you can just obviously switch up the glitter and switch up the shades to kind of whatever I guess matches your dress or whatever you're going to wear. But I hope this was helpful, and maybe you've seen some cool products that are really affordable that you might want to try. So thank you again so much for watching. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and make sure that you're subscribed as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!